how do you balance ranking keywords and profitable keywords, it comes down to what do you want to push for? Do you want to push for more ranking or more profitability? Because at the end, if it's an exact match, our CPCs are way more expensive, even if it's the same keyword in a broad match, for example. Let's say that we have two campaigns. One is auto campaign, the second one is manual exact campaign. Now, what we're seeing on our end is that whenever we are creating exact match campaigns, those are going to be way more costly than the auto match. And based on that, what I would really suggest here is look up which are the exact terms that you want to rank for and push more for them, and then see if that is going to help you with organic ranking. So are you getting more sales, or does it really help? First off, is it very relevant to your product? And if so, you would be pushing more advertising budget towards them versus discovery campaigns. For discovery campaigns, we want to get them as cheap as possible. The idea is that you can have both campaigns. For exact match campaigns that are ranking campaigns, expect to pay a higher cost, but you're going to get sales for those exact terms. For discovery campaigns, we have to make them as cheap as possible. So it makes sense to create those advertising campaigns that might or might not bring us sales with that exact term.